This video shows how to make a 6-pocket bifold wallet with a textured back. The materials used are 4-ounce saddle leather for the wallet back, 2-ounce saddle leather for the interior pockets, and 1.5-ounce pigskin for the pocket lining. This is the type of wallet worn in the back pocket of your favorite pair of old blue jeans, so the wallet cannot be overly bulky or it'll become uncomfortable to use. So all the little details that go into an all-leather wallet are to benefit the user. But it also must be made very precisely, so to benefit the maker, all the little details need to be easily reproducible or repairable. Small studio-style laser cutters work great to turn your accurate drawings into accurate acrylic cutout templates for a sharp knife to follow along to make the leather pocket parts. Then lay out the artwork for the carved wallet back. Transparency film works great because it can be printed like paper in 1:1 scale. After the leather is cased and the artwork is transferred, use a swivel knife to cut contour lines. Set your knife and draw by dragging your pinky finger along the marble and edge of the leather to make an evenly cut straight border. Then bevel the edges you want to stand out and use stamps to add texture to the background. A small stylus with a spoon-shaped tip works great to smooth out uneven stamp marks, and you want to allow the leather to dry before adding color because damp leather does not accept the dye evenly. Range tan and charcoal black are the colors of eco-friendly dyes used here, and they are easy to apply with a small sponge, paintbrush, or a small airbrush. To assemble the wallet, mark the stitching holes that will be punched through when the back is attached, and skive down the edges. Even though I am using very thin leather, removing a little extra around the edges will help create a sunken seam and make the wallet less bulky to improve comfort. Then burnish and paint the pocket edges before they are glued and stitched into place. The card slot attachment tabs are cut slightly larger and trimmed after the pockets are glued and stitched to make the wallet's edges straight. Then glue in the remaining lining and trim off the excess when dry. Since the wallet back is slightly larger to accommodate the curve radius of the pocket, the two sides are glued and stitched separately, leaving the bottom center open for the fold. Then finish the edges and apply some leather conditioner to make the wallet soft and supple. High quality saddle leather is strong, even when split thin, so this wallet can be made without a lining. But the pigskin feels nice and makes the wallet very durable.